Today we will learn new bacterial disease which is known as diphtheria. Here you can see the picture of patient of diphtheria. In Greek, diphtheria means leather hide. Diphtheria caused by aerobic gram-positive rods which is known as Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Exotoxin production only if infected by virus phage infected carrying toxin genes. Diphtheria takes its name from the Greek word diphtheria meaning leather and was named in 1826 by French physician Pierre Bretonnier. This is because it refers to the leathery, sheath-like membrane that grows on the tonsils, throat and in the nose. In the past, its name general disease, killer disease because no treatment in the past and it was lead to high mortality between children. It was said that the disease killed as many as 80% of the children below 10 years. In 1880, Joseph developed the tubes that were inserted into the throat to prevent it suffocating and obstructs airways. In 1884, Friedrich Laufer discovered the causative organism. In 1890, the physician Emil von Behring developed an antitoxin that did not kill the bacterium but neutralized the toxic poisons the bacterium released into the body. In 1913, the first successful vaccine for diphtheria was developed in 1930 by Behring. In 1883, scientists named Klebs demonstrate that Corynebacterium diphtheriae was the agent of diphtheria. Classification of diphtheria. Three morphological types of Corynebacterium diphtheriae are found on telluride containing medium. First, mites, black colonies with a grey periphery. You can see the colonies in the picture. Gravis, large grey colonies. Intermedius, small dull grey to black colonies. All produce an immunological identical toxin. Diphtheria epidemiology. First, you have to know what is epidemiology. The scientific study of the spread and control of disease is known as epidemiology. Now we will study the epidemiology of diphtheria. Reservoir. Human care is usually asymptomatic. Transmission. Respiratory, skin and fomites rarely. Temporal pattern. Winter and spring. Communicability up to several weeks without antibiotics. Diphtheria toxin gene regulator. The structural gene for diphtheria toxin TOX is carried out by a family of closely related Corynebacteriophages. The regulation of diphtheria tox expression is mediated by an iron-activated repressor DTXR, which is encoded on the C. diphtheria genome. When iron becomes the growth-limiting diphtheria toxin is synthesized and secreted at maximal rate. Here you can see iron regulation of diphtheria toxin synthesis. Diphtheria toxin DT is an extracellular protein of Corynebacterium diphtheriae that inhibits protein synthesis and kills susceptible cells. The gene that encodes DT tox is present in some corynephage, and DT is only produced by C. diphtheriae isolates the harbor TOX plus phages. The diphtheria toxin repressor DTXR is a global regulatory protein that uses Fe+2 ion as co-repressor. Diphtheria toxin. First we will See the structure of diphtheria toxin. It is a heat-labile polypeptide that can be lethal in a dose of 0.1 microgram per kilogram. If disulfide bonds are broken, the molecule can give two fragments. Fragment B has no independent action, but it is required for the transport of fragment A. Mechanism of action. Fragment A inhibits polypeptide chain elongation by inactivating the elongation factor 2 EF2. Elongation factor 2 EF2. This factor is required for translocation of polypeptidyl transfer RNA from the acceptor to the donor site on the eukaryotic ribosome, thus preventing protein synthesis leading to cell death. Now we will study isolation and identification of Corynebacterium diphtheria. Clinical specimens, swabs or biopsy. By swabs, we can primarily isolate the bacterium Corynebacterium diphtheria. Culture on blood agar or a medium containing potassium telluride. Species identification, colonies test for presence of tox. Species identification by MELD-TOF or PCR, colonies reference laboratory or enzymatic assays test for presence of tox. We can perform PCR, potentially toxigenic strain, or toxigenicity test. In enzymatic assay, there are 4 tests: nitrate positive, nitrate negative, urease positive, and pyrazinamidase. Biochemical test. First, we have to know why we need biochemical test. Biochemical tests are among the most important methods for microbial identification. Microbial biochemistry tests shorten the time required to identify microorganisms, reduce cost, and ensure they enhance the accuracy of identification of an unknown sample. It is the fastest developing trend in microbial identification. Biochemical test of diphtheria. The colonial morphology of C. diphtheria on Teensdale medium is the most important characteristic in differentiating it from other species of Corynebacteria. It is urease negative, nitrate positive, and gelatin liquefaction negative. Fermentation reactions of various carbohydrates. Species C. diphtheria, Teensdale agar halo positive, catalase positive, urea negative, nitrate positive and gelatin negative, glucose positive and sucrose negative. Corynebacterium ulcerans, Teensdale agar halo positive, catalase positive, urea positive, nitrate negative, gelatin positive, glucose positive. C. ovis, Corynebacterium ovis, Teensdale agar halo negative, catalase urea nitrate positive, gelatin negative and glucose positive. Thank you.